Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If first half of the English alphabet is reversed and so is the second half, which letter is the third to the right of the 17th letter from the right side? So let's first visualize the ordering of the letters. There are 26 letters. First half consists of 13 and so does second half. So first half is written in reverse order. So there are 13 letters written here in reverse order. 13 letters. So instead of writing A over here, A is written over here. And its rank is 13th from left side. Let's remove this. So this will be, there will be B over here, C here and so on. This will be 12th from left and 11th from left. The second half of the letters are also written in reverse order. So there are 13 letters over here written in reverse order. 13 letters. That means that 14th letter from left side is Z. So instead of writing Z over here, Z is written over here. Let's remove that as well. So Y is over here, X is over here, W, V, U and so on. So from right side, we need to find which one is 17th letter from right side. So from right side, Z is 13th letter. This is from left and this is from right. So from right, this is 14th, 15th, 16th and this one will be 17th, which is D. So this is 17th letter from right side and we have to find which is third letter to the right of the 17th letter. So this one is first letter to the right of it, first letter to the right of it. This is second and this is third. So third letter to the right of 17th letter from right side is nothing but A. So answer is option C.